In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to loop videos in VLC Media Player so your video or playlist keeps playing over and over automatically. This is perfect if you're watching tutorials, listening to music, looping background videos, or just don't want to keep restarting Playback manually. VLC is completely free, works on Windows, Mac, and Linux, and looping videos is built right in. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is open, you can either open a single video or prepare a playlist depending on what you want to loop. If you already have a video file ready, you can drag and drop it directly into the VLC window, or click on Media in the top menu and choose Open File to browse for your video. Now, if you want to loop multiple videos one after another, the best way to do that is by using the playlist. To open it, click on View in the top menu and then select Playlist. This will open the playlist sidebar inside VLC. Inside the playlist area, right-click on the empty space and choose Add File if you want to add individual videos, or Add Folder if you want to add an entire folder of videos at once. Once your videos are added, you can organize them however you like. Simply click and drag the items up or down to change the playback order. If there's a video you don't want anymore, right-click on it and remove it from the list. Now, here's the key part for looping. At the bottom of the VLC player, look for the Loop button. It looks like two arrows forming a circle. Click it once to loop the entire playlist. Click it again if you want to loop just a single video instead. When the loop icon is highlighted, VLC will continuously replay your video or playlist without stopping. This works instantly, and you don't need to restart Playback. If you plan to reuse this playlist later, you can save it so you don't have to set everything up again. To do that, go to the Media menu at the top and select Save Playlist to File, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Y. Choose a location on your computer, give your playlist a name, and select a format like M3U or XSPF. Then click Save. Anytime you want to load this playlist again, just double-click the saved playlist file and VLC will open it automatically. Make sure the loop button is enabled and your videos will keep playing on repeat. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to loop videos in VLC Media Player, whether it's a single video or an entire playlist. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple and up-to-date tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.